Okay, Em. What is this?
No, don't send it to them.
Oh, no, what is this?
Durian?
Durian?
Can I have both? Yep.
Is it really durian? Okay.
Look at that.
A little bit more.
So, can you smell it?
It smells like gasoline.
Yum.
Okay, put it here. No. I don't want it. Put it in the bowl. Okay.
But it's frozen though. It's not good.
A little bit frozen. Let's go over here. Let's go through here. Dookie, Moogle. Dookie, Moogle. You guys want some durian? You guys want some durian? Whoa! Whoa! Dookie! Dookie, what are you doing? Give some to Moogle. Here, give some Moogle. Whoa! They ate it all. You like it, Dookie? Oh, you Moogle. I'm gonna finish it off. Whoa! They like durian. One more. There's no more left. Durian dogs.